Howdy folks, welcome to the great outdoors. I'm Backcountry Bob, and I'm here to help you get in touch with nature and learn the essentials of living off the grid. Out here, things work a little differently. We'll be diving into all things wilderness, homesteading, camping, survival skills, and more. Whether you're just getting started or you've been living the outdoor life for a while, there's always something new to learn. First up is homesteading. We'll show you how to live sustainably, growing your own food, collecting water, and working with the land to live in harmony with nature. Camping's one of the best ways to enjoy the backcountry. I'll be sharing tips on everything from setting up the perfect campsite to cooking meals over the fire and staying safe no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. And when it comes to survival, you can never be too prepared. I'll show you how to purify water, build shelters, and start a fire with nothing but what you can find around you. So, if you're ready to dive into the backcountry, subscribe to the channel and join me, Backcountry Bob, on this wild journey. Whether you're here for tips, inspiration, or just to appreciate the beauty of nature, you're in the right place. I'll see you in the next adventure right here at Backcountry Basics. Stay wild, folks. Well, folks, that wraps up today's adventure. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions or ideas for future episodes? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you want to join me for more Backcountry Basics, be sure to hit that big subscribe button. See you on the next one, out here in the wild.